So I'm very familiar with Skytech computers. I recommend these all the time. And this is the Skytech Prism 2. And if we look at the specs on this particular computer, first of all, it's got a gorgeous case that you can see through. RGB lighting, everything inside. If we look at the specs, it's got the Ryzen 9 3900X, super fast processor, one of the fastest processors in the entire world. It's got the fastest graphics card available on the market, essentially, for gamers and for video editors. If you're not getting a workstation graphics card with a RTX 3090 24 gig, insane. It's got 32 gig of RAM, pretty good, and it's got a 1 terabyte Gen 4 SSD. Overall, I would say this computer is very good. This is a very good computer, and it's a very premium computer. I would say, though, that there are going to be better computers than that one that you might be interested in within this price range, Jose. So can I make a recommendation to you? It is the HP Omen 30L. It's right here. As you can see, it's a gorgeous pre-built computer from Amazon, and it's got a number of really key stats on it. It's got a NVIDIA GeForce. It's got a 3080, not a 3090. But the performance difference between the 3080 and 3090, in my opinion, is not worth $1,000 extra to pay for. It's not worth the extra $1,000. It's not even close. So mine has a 3080 built in. And another awesome thing about this computer, and let me just go ahead and show you the actual model here on the screen. It's got the Intel Core i9 11850K processor, which is faster than the processor you were just linking, to my knowledge, or equivalently fast. It's got the 32 gig of RAM you're talking about, but not only does it have the 1 terabyte SSD you were looking for, it's also got a 2 terabyte storage drive on board as well. So you're gonna get more storage. So for basically $1,000 less than you were looking to pay, you're gonna get pretty much all the power and more storage with this particular computer, and I just think it's a better deal. Like, you just get like a better performance for your money with this particular setup. And I use this one. This computer that I'm using right now is powerful enough to play Cyberpunk 2077 in 4K with ray tracing on, ultra settings, 4K 60 frames per second. Does that mean anything to you? So I recommend picking this one up, dude. Save $1,000. Get this insanely fast computer I just recommended to you if you're looking to get a high-end computer, and that's it. Go for it, dude. That's my recommendation for high-end pre-builts on Amazon. Not only am I recommending it, I put my money where my mouth is, right? I bought it. You know what I'm saying?